Aging is a lie you've believed your entire life. Death is inevitable, but aging is not. Your birth date is meaningless. Your biology listens to your mind, not your calendar. Today, you're going to discover exactly how your subconscious mind shapes your physical reality and how to use this truth to stay young, vibrant, and alive in spirit for life. The time isn't the problem, the fear of time is. Conventional wisdom says aging is inevitable, that it's normal to lose vitality, strength, and clarity as years pass. But what if it's not the passing years causing the breakdown, but rather our fearful anticipation of aging itself? Dr. Maxwell Maltz, the brilliant mind behind psychocybernetics, explained clearly, it is not time that makes you old. It is the fear of time itself, the neurotic fear of age, that manifests premature aging. Science supports Maltz's assertion. Recent studies in psychoneuroimmunology reveal that chronic fear, worry, and stress accelerate cellular aging by shortening telomeres, the protective caps at the end of your DNA strands. This means your cells literally age faster when you believe strongly in the inevitability of decline. Your subconscious doesn't differentiate reality from strongly held beliefs. If you deeply fear aging, your subconscious obediently translates that fear into biological reality. The problem isn't your age, it's your mindset about aging. Now let me tell you how your thoughts determine your biological age. You don't grow old first in your body, you grow old first in your mind. Your body merely reflects the aging concept your subconscious has accepted. Dr. Joseph Murphy again emphasizes, do not grow old in your thought life, and you will remain youthful in your physical life. What does this mean practically? It means that if you consistently perceive yourself as strong, vibrant, healthy, and youthful, your subconscious mind actively works to maintain that state biologically. Think about iconic actors and celebrities who seem eternally youthful. They remain young because their careers and self-identities demand it. They never accept old age as inevitable. Their subconscious mind holds on to youthfulness as a core belief, and their biology simply follows this powerful command. Your subconscious always matches your biological state to your self-image. The traditional idea that at a certain age you naturally become old, weak, and frail is dangerous, not because it's inevitable, but precisely because believing it makes it true. Neville Goddard taught this powerfully. You become what you assume to be true about yourself. When society says, act your age, what they're really saying is, act according to our limiting beliefs. When you unconsciously accept this, you send a subconscious command to your body. It's time to slow down. But imagine what would happen if you changed that assumption. If, instead, you chose to believe that aging brings deeper wisdom, more joy, increased vitality, and unlimited potential, you'd defy society's aging myths because your subconscious would refuse to conform to them. Instead, you'd continuously regenerate yourself in alignment with your empowered belief. Here are some ageless examples. Living proof of subconscious youth. Let's examine people who defy aging, not just celebrities, but everyday people who seem eternally youthful. They share certain subconscious beliefs. Purpose. They have clear, compelling reasons to stay vibrant and healthy. Optimism. They consistently focus on what excites and uplifts them. Interest. They're deeply curious about life, continually learning and growing. Faith and courage. They don't fear aging. They embrace life fully, courageously, and joyfully. These are not merely habits, they're subconscious blueprints. Neuroscience calls this process neuroplasticity. Your brain continuously reorganizes itself based on your consistent beliefs, thoughts, and actions. Thus, aging gracefully isn't about genetics, it's about subconscious mental rehearsal of vitality. Your assumptions create your biology, not the other way around. Learn how to reprogram your subconscious for youthfulness. So how exactly do you reprogram your subconscious mind to embrace eternal youthfulness? Here are practical ways to activate this power immediately. Speak differently about age. Never use phrases like, I'm getting too old for this. Replace them with, I feel vibrant, I feel younger every day, my best years are still ahead. Visualize vitality. Daily, vividly visualize yourself feeling strong, energized, and youthful. Feel the emotions of joy, excitement, and vitality during this visualization. Emotionalize your self-image. Neville Goddard said, feeling is the secret. Feel youthfulness in your bones, muscles, and spirit. Your subconscious thrives on feeling, not logic. Challenge aging norms. Reject societal expectations of aging. Surround yourself with stories, people, and examples that contradict traditional beliefs about getting older. Continuous growth mindset. Cultivate new interests, maintain deep curiosity, set new goals. The subconscious mind stays youthful when it's always learning and exploring. Remember, aging as we know it is more psychological and spiritual than biological. Your subconscious is ageless, timeless, and limitless. It does not count years, it only responds to your repeated beliefs and emotions. Neville Goddard summed it up beautifully. Change your conception of yourself, and you automatically change the world in which you live. If you conceive yourself as young, vibrant, and limitless, your subconscious mind ensures you remain exactly that, young in spirit, not vibrant in body, and limitless in possibilities. Time has no authority over your subconscious beliefs. Aging does not define your potential, you define it. Embrace youthfulness in thought and spirit, and your body will follow. Your greatest power lies in understanding that you control your aging process, not by manipulating biology, but by consciously managing belief. Stay young in mind, young in heart, young in spirit, and your body will inevitably reflect your eternal inner youth. Because the truth is, you're as young as your subconscious believes you to be.